Hello, today we are going to be talking more about the letter S. When we make our S, we start just below the solid line. We go up to the solid line, we start to curve down. Almost looks like a flying C. It's just kind of hanging out here. We keep going around and back. Start up around S. Okay, then we have the lowercase s, which is on the dotted line. So there's the dotted line. There's the S. Start at just below the dotted line, curve up, slant down, curve. The capital S and lowercase s are very similar. The only thing different is their size. So that makes their size very important, because if you are writing something and you make a capital S or an S that's supposed to be lowercase, but you made it too big, people are going to think, oh, what's wrong with that sentence? So when we're using our lowercase, we need to make sure that we're using the lowercase style and making them smaller than the capital. Okay, then we're going to trace the next two capital letter S's, and then the lowercase s's. There we go. Then we're going to go down here. It says write the letter S in the space below. So we have UN, UN, and we want to make the word sun. There's that picture of the sun. Sun. So we're going to add an S. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Then over here it says circle all the letters, the letter S's in the words. So our first word is C. Well, we know that S starts the letter C, or the letter C. S-E-E starts right there. Then we have so, S-O. So, S starts the word so. Then we have say, S-A-Y. It's kind of hard to see S-A-Y, but we're going to circle that. Then we have she, S-H-E. Now this one's a little tricky because S-H makes the sh sound instead of the s sound, S-H, but it does start with an S, even though it doesn't sound like it. S-H is sh, like you're trying to sh. S-H-E, sh-e. Then saw, S-A-W, saw, so we're going to circle the S. And then said, S-A-I-D, said. So I'm going to circle all of my S's. Then down here it says all these objects have the letter S in their names. Circle the S in the name. Then color in the objects. So S is S. We have uppercase S, lowercase s. Then we have sun, S-U-N. We have star, S-T. Actually, it's C star. Sorry, C star. So C starts with S and star. It's kind of funny because C, like where the C star is S-E-A. S-E-A. That's the sea, like the body of water. When we see with our eyes, it's S-E-E. When we see the sea, for S-E-A, it's the body of water or the sea star. And then we have snake. Snakes. So I'm going to circle those. And then I'm going to color them. I'm going to let you do that. The next page that we're going to do is the Hear It page, the skunks page. So we have 3 circles up here that say glue, glue, and glue. The sentence says, I see a skunk. It is black and white. So you're going to color your skunk black and white before you do anything else. So right now, pause your video and color it black and white. Notice how I did not color the circles because we're going to be gluing on them, and if you color with crayon, it will be harder to get the glue to stay. So then down here we have sock, kite, sun, scissors. We want to make sure that we only glue the things that start with the sound that goes like in skunk. Skunk, sock, skunk, kite, no, skunk, sun, yes, and skunk, scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut on that dotted line so that you have your piece of paper and then you have your work packet. If it's easier for you to pull the packet apart to cut them out, when we're cutting in a circle, what works best is just leaving your scissors straight up and moving the paper. If you need to make it a smaller piece, you can cut some of it off to make it easier to cut. You're going to follow the dotted line. If it's not entirely on the dotted line, that's okay. We're still learning. Okay, then we're going to glue those S words. So my first one is scissors. So I'm going to put it down, put it right over one of the circles that says glue. I'm going to do the same thing with sock and sun. So there we go. Scissors, sock, sun, and skunk all start with the letter S.